Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare BMW X2 versus X1. We'll explore their distinct characteristics to help you decide which luxury compact SUV best fits your lifestyle. The X1 offers a more traditional SUV design, prioritizing practicality. In contrast, the X2 presents a sleeker, coupe-like profile, emphasizing style and a sportier feel. Both vehicles deliver BMW's signature driving dynamics and premium features. Visually, the X1 embraces a classic SUV silhouette, offering a taller, more utilitarian look. This design translates to better rear headroom and a more spacious feel inside. The X2, however, opts for a sports activity coupe design with a sloping roofline, giving it a more dynamic and compact presence. While both interiors are premium, the X2 often features bolder aesthetic choices, appealing to those who prioritize style. Under the hood, both the X1 and X2 typically come with a powerful 2.0-liter turbocharged engine, delivering around 241 horsepower. This ensures agile performance for both models. For practicality, the X1 generally offers superior cargo capacity, with up to 540 liters of boot space. The X2, while still capable, prioritizes a sportier, more connected driving feel, often with a slightly firmer suspension setup. When considering value, the X1 often has a slightly lower starting price, making it a strong contender for those seeking premium features without the highest cost. The X2, with its distinctive styling and sportier feel, commands a slightly higher premium. Ultimately, your choice depends on whether you prioritize traditional SUV practicality and space, or a more coupe-like design and dynamic driving experience. Check the description for a link to leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.